What's up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having trouble getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in that box, and I will send you oodles and oodles of stuff. Okay, gonna do the Canva thing. Not like that. Alright, now I gotta put my specs on here. And we're gonna go to logos. Okay. Now, if you got any kind of business, whether it's online, e-commerce, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, you could actually take the PLR rights thing going on. Excuse me. And you could brand a product. Okay, you could make it your own. Okay, that's what branding is. You make it your own. And with that, I would suggest you do it like that. Okay, you can brand yourself, which I always encourage, especially you young people, to brand yourself. Man, you got your whole life ahead of you. Brand yourself. Okay. Some people are shy and complacent with it. Others are over the top with it. Okay. But in the long run, whatever you decide to do, one of the mistakes that I made that early on I didn't do my own branding. Okay. For a lot of different reasons. Okay. Don't get me wrong, it's not a necessity to brand yourself or to brand a product. You can still make money without branding. It is more work. Okay. That's probably why I didn't do it in the beginning, because I'm kind of a lazy guy. As much as I accomplish in a day, and as much as, people tell me, oh, Ray, you never stop. And I don't. I'm a workaholic, but because I love what I do, so it makes it easier, So we could do a search here. Let's do web pages, because that's what I'm doing for you guys. Okay. I kind of like this one here. Now, there's this one website I found. It's called placeit.net. Not affiliate to them. They do have some free downloads there. They're not the greatest, and it's going to have their watermark on it. With Canva, you can get a free account for a certain amount of time, certain amount of things you can get for free on it. But for $12 a month. And, one of the tricks you can do when you're on a budget, and I know a lot of young people that are on budgets as well as, us grown-ups, okay, there's a lot of people that are paying mortgages, they got kids to feed, they got car payments and stuff, so even $12 a month isn't really a good thing for it, but you can actually sign up to it, make some stuff, and then quit it if you wanted to do it that way. Also on anything, what a lot of these gurus don't tell you is that they, started out with their affiliate marketing stuff, on a job that they worked in the daytime making, $200,000 a year because they went to college and they learned a lot of stuff, and you should do that too. I highly encourage it, Also, coming into it, if it's for free, it's for me. I definitely like free stuff, but however, even on a budget, you're going to have to buy some stuff. Let's face it. You're going to have to buy some stuff. You have to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business owner. Okay. It's really what you got to do. Basically, it can be discouraging. Don't let it discourage you. All right. Getting into it with Canva. There's so many different things that you can do with Canva. Okay, a lot of people know Canva. Me personally, I wish I would have found this back in 2015. And again, for $12 a month, if you got a buddy that, or even two buddies, you guys want to share that $12 a month, it comes out to $3 or $4 a month for each of you guys, So, but Canva makes you an expert in a lot of things. It really does. It makes you an expert. And, they have, of course, they got a slew of stuff. But right now, I'm talking about logos. what you want to do with your logo, let me stop this video real quick. Alright, just had to go get something to show you guys. Alright, as you may or may not know, I am in the affiliate, not in the affiliate niche, excuse me. I am in the fitness niche, as they say. It's not a niche for me. You know, I'm in my late 50s. I've been bodybuilding since I was like 2 years old. My mother had me on Jack LaLanne. Okay. And in the real world, I've trained hundreds of people, especially when I was younger. As you see in this picture here, me at age 22, I was living down by Atlantic City, New Jersey, and you know, it was a beach town, and there was a lot of people back then in the 80s. You know, bodybuilding was just being introduced in the world, okay? And getting back to what we're doing here with Canva, I very quickly put this logo together in Canva, okay? And I see similar ones around, but you know, it describes my 1 cent max, okay? And what I do is you can go to Canva, not just for your logos, but for all your graphics, okay? All your graphics. Now, I made these, you know, video presentations. In other words, I record my screen as and I talk about diet and fitness, okay? And all of these, they're very simple. You know, I always suggest to keep things simple. And what I do is I teach people about health and fitness. And I use these, you know, years ago we used to use the Microsoft Office. It's been so long, I forget what it was called. Jeez Louise. Outlook or something. Oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. It's been so obsolete for so long, I forget what it was. Okay, but basically, you know, I just do it on Canva now, and you know, you can even, you know, I'll video my screen and just have it run through the pictures on its own. There's a lot of different ways that you could do it, you know. And you know, and this is just with the stock Windows picture viewer that's doing it. Again, you know, if it's for free, it's for me. I can't stress that enough to you guys, okay? I really can't stress it enough to you guys. Okay, so basically, you know, when you do your branding, you want it to be nice. You want it to be original, okay? And places like Canva is definitely the way to go for your branding. And I would suggest you do it no matter who you are, no matter what you're into, as far as anything. And even if you get a private label rights thing going on and you brand that, you can do that as well, okay? So this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. Okay? You go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in that box right there that you see on rwcweb.com, and I will send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. And I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe on my new YouTube channel, and give me your comments, give me your thoughts. My tech support is free for life when you join up with any one of my programs. Okay? Take care.